Welcome to Wiral Studio. As you read my video thumbnail and title, you are here to now earn $0.5 per survey you answered. Payment instantly straight to your PayPal account. Instant payment. If you answer 10 available surveys, $5 will be instantly transferred to your PayPal account. Watch it patiently. Get $0.5 per survey you answer. It is free and simple. Guys, you may thinking that $0.5 per survey. Is it real? Real? Yes, it is real. You can earn from your mobile phone. So what are you waiting for? It is real. I'll guide you how to do. Watch it patiently. First of all, if you are new here and still have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe Wiral Studio as a YouTube channel so that you are notified with any other online job available for you. Does it have a payment proof? Yes, I will show you payment proof at the last of the video. Is a scam or real? So it is 100% real. By starting video, let me announce that this opportunity is only available in the United States, Australia and United Kingdom. Although I try to post that online jobs which is available in worldwide, but this time it is available for America, United Kingdom and Australia. So let's start the tutorial with a short intro. Guys, first of all, you have to download this application named MS ICO. Link is available in the description of the video, so go to description and click on the link to download this application. After downloading this application, open it. You have to create account on it. There is already made account. So friends, currently you can watch that there is 4 questions. First is where do you get your morning coffee, and second is what is your favorite pizza topic, and third is what candidate do you plan to vote, and fourth is what sort of tablet do you currently have. And friends, you can watch that 3 questions have already been answered and rewarded $1.5. And selecting the 4th question, where do you get your morning coffee, and there it is, where do you get your morning coffee, and first option is Starbucks, local coffee shop, home, office, I don't drink coffee. And friend, there's your option. If you select other option, you will get also a reward. So they selected local coffee shop and press submit. And friends, you can say that it says that thank you for your response. We have submitted a payment request via PayPal. And friends, you can watch that instantly $0.5 to your PayPal account. Let me show you a payment proof. So guys, here is the payment proof of the website. I am showing this payment proof because many people do spam comments and they said that please show us payment proof, please show us payment proof in order to start work. So there is a payment proof of this website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and also subscribe. We will back with a new video. Stay tuned to Wiral Studio.